Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley and I create content around fashion, lifestyle, travel and beauty. So if that's something you're interested in, do join this happy community. And as the title suggests, today I'm going to show you everything that I bought from Bangkok. Now it's been a while I visited Bangkok, but I was shifting houses and I did not get a chance to shoot this video earlier. So I was like, कोई बात नहीं, देर आए दुरुस्त आए। अभी आपको दिखा देती हूँ कि मैं क्या क्या लाई हूँ बैंकॉक से। सो बेसिकली बैंकॉक इज अ शॉपर्स पैराडाइज एंड आई मेड full advantage of it. I bought a suitcase full of stuff for myself, and I also bought a suitcase, by the way, from Bangkok. So today I'm going to show you everything that I bought for myself, and we had some things to give to friends and family that we have already gifted. But anyway, I will just start with my favorite item of this haul, and that is this gray blazer. Now, this is a linen blazer and it's in this bluish gray color with shoulder pads, and the quality is very similar to those in Zara and H&M. Now, this one I found in Chatuchak Weekend Market, and we were just walking by. We saw this random store where they had a lot of trousers actually, and they had a few jackets and blazers. So I tried it on, and I was wearing shorts and a t-shirt, like a crop t-shirt, and I put it on, and it was looking really, really smart with my sports shoes and on a sporty look. This was giving such a chic vibe. It just elevated the casual outfit so well. The next item is a perfect beach dress, and so in trend, it's this striped dress. Now, it's a maxi dress actually, and I am not a fan of striped prints, but look at the color combination. It's just so in trend. Plus, the sleeves and the neck has this detail which makes it look very like fun and playful. Plus, it can be styled so nicely with a hat, with a pair of sunglasses and the beach boho bag. I mean, I just can't wait to wear it on beach. Plus, the material is knitted and it doesn't make you feel hot. Like, it's not that kind of knitted that will make you feel hot. It's like cottony knit material. And this particular store inside the uh, Pratunam market had a lot of this kind of dresses, a lot of chic tops and dresses. The price range was a little higher than the clothes that you would get on streets, but it's completely worth it. I cannot wait to wear it on my next vacation. The next item is a night suit. Now, Bangkok had a lot of different night suits, but the problem was that they did not have night suits in medium, large, and extra large sizes. They just had night suits in small and extra small sizes. Somehow, I don't know why. But yeah, I bought this night suit in this very cute panda print, and they had so many cute prints. यार मतलब बहुत cute से prints थे. So these are the shorts, and this is the top, and it's like a t-shirt top. They also had the ones with the shirt, but the shirt ones were not available in my size. Otherwise, I lean more towards shirts for the night suits. It just looks more elegant and chic than the t-shirt ones, but they did not have my size available, so I had to opt for this one. And this one was not very expensive. I think it was around 400 to 500 Indian rupees, but the material is very soft, and I have not still worn it, but I'm looking forward to use it very frequently because it just feels so soft on the skin. I wish you could touch this material. The fourth item is actually, okay, I will show it together because these are both the same kind of pants. Now, these are linen pants and high waisted linen pants, which are like flowy kind of pattern. And it's in the pista green color. It's very nice, basic pants. Like you can wear it casually with plain white t-shirt, plain black t-shirt. It will go with a lot of printed t-shirts also. So I felt the material was really good and the fit was really good as well. So I bought it in this color, and I bought it in another color also, which is like mocha brown color. And this one also really looks very nice and feels so soft on the skin. It's like uh combination of linen and cotton material, and I have worn this mocha brown pants a lot last year. I mean, towards the December and January of this year, I have worn it with my Uniqlo t-shirt, which is like a striped black and white t-shirt. I usually just pair both of these together, and I love wearing it so much casually because it's super comfortable and looks very stylish. Another one is a shirt. Now it's a very chic, like pale pink color ka shirt. It has this kind of work on the collar, and the buttons are really smart. It's like studded like big buttons, and the sleeves have balloon effect. Plus the this part on the arms also has some embellishment going on, so it looks really stylish. So the next pair is again my favorite thing, and it is this uh net kind of top. Now this is something that I saw on day one, and then we were just entering the market. So I had seen a lot of like Bangkok shopping hauls before going to Bangkok, just to like get an idea of what people buy from there and how much are they purchasing it for. So I like to do a little bit of research before visiting a place, so I don't miss out on good deals or good places or good food places. So I had done my research and I knew I wanted to buy something like this because I had seen this kind of top in one of the videos. And from then, I had made up my mind that I wanted to purchase something similar to this. Now, when we went for shopping on day one, we just entered the market, and in the initial few shops we saw this kind of top. In one of the shops, only one shop had this particular kind of top, and we thought, okay, we are just starting, we might find this kind of design in some other stores. And this shop, the shopkeeper was not ready to bargain at all, so the price was also on a little higher side as compared to the normal price range of the products there. So we decided to like give it a miss and just roamed around the entire market. And by the time we realized that this top is not available in any of the other shops, we decided to return back to the entrance of the market. And when we reached there, we realized that the shop is closed. And the next day, we had a plan to go to the Chatuchak Weekend Market. So we thought, okay, Chatuchak Weekend Market is another famous market in Bangkok, and it might have similar collection to the Pratunam or Platinum Mall. So we went there and we roamed around the entire Chatuchak Market also. And this top was somehow stuck in my head, and we realized that this market doesn't have anything similar to this. So again, it was around 3 p.m. when we realized this, and like around 5 p.m. this shop which sells this kind of top closes. So that's the reason we found the shop closed the previous day also. When we decided to go back at around 5:30 p.m., the shop was closed. And when we asked the like neighboring shops, they informed us that the shop is usually closed by 5 p.m. So the Chatuchak market and Pratunam market are like 30 minutes distance, and Bangkok traffic is horrible. Like if you are going to Bangkok, just count in time to commute from one place to another, double than the normal time that they show on Google Maps, because the traffic is just horrible. And it was a weekend, so it was even more worse. And we decided at around 3:30, after realizing that we are not going to find anything similar to this in Chatuchak market, we decided to run to the Pratunam market. And it was around 4:30 or 4:35, and we were stuck in traffic after an hour of leaving from, first of all, actually from Chatuchak market. When we booked the cab did not arrive on time. It took almost half an hour to reach there, so it was around 4 p.m. when we got the cab. Then we got on the cab, and we got stuck in traffic. So around 4:45 we were still stuck in traffic, and the Google Maps was showing 10 minutes. So we literally reached a crossroad near the shop, And my husband gives me his wallet. He gets down from the car. He asks the driver to stop at the crossroad. From there, he can just walk because the traffic was so horrible that it would have taken us half an hour to cross the distance that can usually be covered within 10 minutes. So my husband literally gave me his wallet and he asked me to pay the driver, and he literally ran to the shop where this top was available. We paid him. The shopkeeper was about to close the shop, and I also ran after paying the driver, and luckily he had managed to convince the shopkeeper to keep the shop open, and we paid and we chose this one. So that's a small story behind this top, but this is so nice. Like this one with like white high waisted formal kind of shorts and a tube top and a basic black bag, or like if you're going to a party you can just take a blingy bag and wear black heels or blingy heels, and it will just make the outfit look so chic. I just love this top and I have not been able to wear it anywhere, but I can't wait to style it and flaunt this top. The next one is also a top, and it's this basic brown top. Now, this one is a knitted kind of top, and it's a cap sleeve top, and it's quite body hugging and stretchable, but the texture and color makes it look very, very nice. Plus, the fabric is really, really soft. So I thought that I can wear this top with skirt and pants, and I can wear it to office also. I can wear it for casual wear also. So I decided to just buy it. It's nothing fancy, just a basic brown top, but I'm really in love with this brown color. And yeah, this is the top. I mean, look at how nicely it complements my skin tone. I just love all shades of brown, beige, gray, white. The next top is in this gray color, and it's a dupe of Miu Miu top, I think, because it says Miu Miu and it has studs all over it. It's in gray color, and the material is really, really soft. It's like a t-shirt, so it can be worn with shorts or it can be like styled with skirts or pants. Nothing fancy, just a t-shirt, but the studs on it really makes it look very nice and makes it stand out. Next one is a shirt, and it's another piece that can be worn on vacation. Now, this is a tissue shirt and it has like small silver beads, if you can see. So I like wearing this kind of shirts with like crop top and shorts, and just throw on this shirt. It makes it look really nice and chic on beach vacations. I really like to wear this kind of shirts with a beach dress or swimming costume. Like you can wear this as a cover up with the swimming costume. You can wear it casually also. I already wore it recently with like blue jeans and white color tank top, and it looked really, really nice. So this is the tissue shirt, and when I went to Bangkok I saw a lot of girls wearing this kind of tissue shirt, and it just was in such nice pastel colors, and the material just made it look so chic and smart. I couldn't resist but purchase it. The next item I have bought is another top in brown color again. I am a big, big fan of brown color, and it's this top. Now, look at this. It's a blazer kind of top from front. It has padded shoulders and it has a tie up detail here on the bottom. I am a really big fan of anything padded. Plus, the color is so nice. It complements my skin really well again. And the pattern is really nice. I am a big fan of blazer kind of patterns also. I am a big fan of this color also. I am a big fan of padded shoulders also. And this is like one of the most worn shirts from my entire haul. And I have worn it actually many times ever since I bought it. I wear it with my black like Uniqlo trouser pants, and it just looks so effortlessly chic and stylish, and it's so comfortable at the same time. Next, I have two pair of shorts from Chatuchak Weekend Market, and it's in the joggers kind of material. One is this one, and it's in a pale pink color, but the material is so thick and nice. Like you don't see this kind of joggers anywhere else. I haven't seen it, and it's such a thick, very nice, very comfortable, cottony, breathable material. And another color that I bought in this one is a butter yellow color. I mean, look at the color. I just fell in love with the color. Plus, the shopkeeper was wearing the same kind of shorts with like an oversized white t-shirt, and it was looking so stylish yet comfortable. I just couldn't resist, but they did not have any more colors in my size. But that brand name is actually medi.bkk. I will tag the name somewhere here. You can follow them on Instagram, and they also take orders for international shipping. So next up, I got one bag which is like a Tory Burch dupe, but I mean, just look at the material. It's a first copy, and they have very nice proper branding on the chain and everything. I mean, look at this. The chains also have branding. The behind chain also has a branding. I can keep all my stuff organized. Inside of the bag also it has pockets, like this front section has a pocket. The back section also has a separate chain. It has a small belt, and it also has a longer belt, so you can just take it as a handbag or use it as a sling. So I thought this is a very versatile kind of bag. Plus, uh, we kind of were able to bargain this one for a very good price. So yeah, this is the bag that I got. They had a lot of like amazing bags collection. If you are someone who doesn't mind like first copy or something, you must check it out. And they bargain a lot also. And then I have two pairs of earrings. The first pair is a party kind of earring. It's a golden dangling earrings. It's this one. And I just loved, I mean, I don't have anything similar to this, but I just thought that, the white net kind of top that I showed you, I just thought that this pair of earrings would look really nice with this outfit. If I'm going to a party or something, I can just style this statement earrings with this top, and it would just look so nice. This one just grabbed my attention, and I was like, chalo isko lete hai. So, yeah, this is the pair of earrings. And next pair of earrings is really so nice. It's the handmade earrings, and I bought it from Chatuchak Weekend Market. It's this pair. I mean, look at the work on it. It's just so nice. It will look so nice on plain white dress. Like it will create such a nice boho chic look. With that, we have reached to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching my video. And if you did so, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys again really soon with my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care of yourselves.